Hello, beautiful people. My name is Babalisa Day. So today I've decided on going to a salon to just wash my hair. It's kind of dry and dull and whatever, and I was just lazy, so I just thought, oh, let me just go to the salon. It's the first time going to the salon ever since I went natural, so I'm hoping it goes well because I'm very skeptical about salons, but we'll see. I'll tell you guys how it went, and I'll keep you updated.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never want to make you cry. Check the time. It's never what it feels like, just kill me and die. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me. When I call, he makes me feel so lonely. Didn't think you'd give up so easily. Yesterday and left, it feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. Everything was good, then you would feel alive.
If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Well. Okay, so this is my hair. I am done. I was just washing, so these were free. And I asked the lady not to take them off. Because I'm not going to do my hair anytime soon. But I am happy with the service. I am happy with the prices. I am happy with the people. And yeah, it's owned by a black South African lady, and they speak Sotho, and Lenakibua Sotho. So but yeah, guys, I am happy. I'm so happy. I'm happy. They've definitely won me over, and I'll definitely be coming back. And yeah. So guys, this is the place. I'm sorry I didn't take okay, let me do this. Okay, yeah, great. So yeah, this is the place. The name of the salon is the Moisture Factory, and I'll leave the details down below on the description.